All right, so in this video, we're going to be talking about the importance of median line, which is also going to relate to how we counterbalance ourselves for rotation. So what I have right here, I've got this stick that would be running directly up the middle of my body, my seam line on my pants and the seam line on my shirt. So if we think about when people are, let's say, vertically jumping, okay, I'm going to start right here. I've got all the weight on the balls of my feet. And now as I lower myself, you'll start to see my shoulders come forward, my pelvis goes backwards, and this is where I'm counterbalancing myself to create an explosive move. So here's how this relates to golf and why it's so important. So if I start and I move everything to where it's counterbalanced right here at setup, and now I'm going to start moving closer to median line too early, especially in my downswing. So from right here, I've got my shoulders just in front of median line. My pelvis is just behind median line, but it's relatively close right here. So as I turn up to the top, this is elongating a little bit. These two are now counterbalancing each other. And now it's giving me the ability to push down into the ground, pushing my pelvis backwards, my shoulders more here as I just turn and I move in closer to impact. So this is one of the most explosive things to understand, but you've got to be able to balance yourself. So the closer that we can stay to median line at setup, the more we can pressure the ground, staying in balance and being able to rotate. So if I were to hit one like that, you'll notice I'm right here. My shoulders, my knees, okay, those are all in line. My 3 balance points. Now from here, I'm going to go up to the top, and then I'm going to elongate that, counterbalancing my shoulders and my pelvis as I turn through it. So we'll give that a go. I'm going to go pretty down into this golf shot here to show you how open we can actually get. So that was pretty good. So again, once I moved up to here, my only feel was I was trying to get down into the ground, almost like I was vertically jumping, so that then I can turn and I can push through that shot. But if you understand the balance, okay, and how we start out closer to median line, and then in the downswing we push this forward, this backwards of median line, so that we can push through it through impact, that is going to be a very explosive, very powerful, yet very consistent move when it's done inside of balance.